In this video we're going to look at what we do after we've installed the three basic plugins that we're going to need to create a silo structure for the blog. The first thing to do before we start using the plugins is to create the categories that we're going to use that represent the silos for our blog. So into dashboard, into category, and the first thing will be to create the categories, as I say, that we're going to use throughout this process. Hopefully you'll have used Kraken or the last keyword toolkit to do your research so that you know the value associated with your silos and categories. But for the purposes of this video I'm going to keep it really simple so that you can see how the structure works. So in the first category I'm going to be very hard on myself here, and I'm going to call it category 1, and the slug that you're going to need to have with it would mirror that, and if you're using multiple words for your category name, then your slug will be in lowercase with a dash in between the words. Once you're happy with that, click add new category. With the default category we can utilize that if it's not been changed already in your particular blog, and change that to something else. And as you can see I'm being highly original here, and we'll call this one oranges. I'll call the third one apples, a fourth one bananas, or we'll make this banana in the plural, singular, sorry, banana, again with a lowercase slug, and one more for total originality, category 2, and save that. Now, after you've created your categories, the next thing to do is to create pages for your silos, and these again we're going to be very intelligent and make things really simple for the video, but of course you will have done the research and it will be more meaningful to you. So we're going to call the first page category 1 and put some text in. Obviously your text would be well researched and have lots and lots of supporting words and terms related to the article silo that you're looking for. We'll then create a second page, and you can probably guess what's going to be coming up here. No prizes for guessing, and some text, and publish this. Then we're going to create another page, keeping our highly original theme going, and just to ensure that we have no real duplicate content, I've actually found some more lorem ipsum text which is original and unique, and we'll publish that. And I'll do the same for bananas and oranges. So now when we go and have a look, for the purposes of this video I've got 5 pages and 5 categories. And if we have a quick look at the site, we can see the home page, the apples, the bananas, category 1, category 2, and oranges. So that's where we're at so far. The next thing to do is to stop the theme from bleeding anything away, and to start utilizing the free plugins that we've uploaded. So back into the appearance and the widgets, and we want to remove recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and the meta. It's always useful to keep the search, and then create a custom menu in the main sidebar. Now when you drag this over, it says no menus have been created yet, create some. So click on create some, and now is the time to create your first menu. So in this case I'm going to call this a food menu for want of something better, and click on create menu. Then I'm going to select the 5 pages that we've already created, add those to the menu. I'm going to put them in order that I'd like to see them appear, and you might have preferences for the order that you have them selected in. That could range from the number of expected visitors, the number of search terms, or the value of each silo. Either way, you get the option here to reorder them, and don't forget to click the save menu. Now it's back to the widgets, and in our custom menu we can select the food menu here, click on save, and that is that part done for us. So if we have a look and refresh the page, we can now see our new menu in the sidebar. Now this process of adding the custom menu here and creating the submenu with all of the silo pages will be very, very useful if you're using a theme that doesn't use the new WordPress theme structure, and sort of it's there to make your life easy. So if you need to get your silos on a page and your theme doesn't support custom menus, then this is the way to go about that.